everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with the June polish pickup offering from Noodles Nail Polish. The theme for June is fairs and carnivals, and this polish was sent to me to swatch and share with you. This is Take Flight. It's priced at $11.50 and there is no cap. It's described by Noodles as a sage green crelly with metallic rose and pink hollow glitters, soft pink shimmer, and light gold micro flakies. The formula on this is just so perfect, super smooth. There's a lot of glitter in there, but doesn't make it difficult to apply whatsoever. I built it up in 2 coats. You are definitely going to need a coat or 2 of some thick glossy top coat, and removal will be difficult because of the glitter. Again, this is going to be releasing during the polish pickup sale, so it's going to be available from Friday to Monday. First Friday of every month is when a polish pickup opens. With that being said, I'm going to leave the link in the description box down below. Be sure to check it out, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!